Like filthy pigs, we wallow in our insecurities. Dazed and dazzled by these flashing lights, we are afraid to move like timid deer. Even when a horn blows, giving us fair warning, still we become roadkill. What happens then? In life, stories are told of mice and men, but in most life stories, mice are men. Mindless mental missionaries, striving to get that carefully crafted cheddar cheese while trying to avoid the claws of these crouching cougars. But alas, the efforts are in vain, as they only manage to be ensnared in a systematically laid black-widowed web. Because these femme fatale female felines, they play games with men's hearts till they lie by the wayside, slaughtered by their own curiosity, because these femme fatale female felines have that mindset mentality that all men are dogs. Some wild and some tamed, but they only stop to look and see. There are variations within these pedigrees as there exists a rare breed. Groomed by the hardships of life, they're rarely sought, so they're rarely found, because these so-called boss bitches would rather follow the dusty dirt trails of a hell's bloodhound. Like vain peacocks, they pride themselves, boasting their fickle feathers, trying to hide the stench of a dead carcass harassed by vigilant vultures. With the mental capacity of a dodo bird, we delude ourselves into believing that we live in the sky. Always looking down, never looking around, seas sown like eagles, our wings are clipped, and we fall crashing to the ground in a pile of our own feces, or in turmoil. We wonder like withering worms, late to escape these early birds. Indeed, these birds are early. Humming, whistling, singing to panic tones of our demise. We cease to see seasonal sunsets, never again to see the sunrise. 5:55 when these cocks crow, bring dead chicklets to life. And these scarecrows, they tattoo these chickens' names across their chickens' chests. They don't give a damn about these chickens' minds, only chickens' thighs and chickens' breasts. That's just an excerpt.